Is that your signature on that page?
It is indeed my signature.
And can you confirm that the contents of these 5 pages is true and correct?
As far as my knowledge goes, yes.
Thank you. Can you then turn to the second statement, the supplementary statement?
I'm there.
And can you go to the last page of that statement? Can you confirm that the signature on that page is yours?
It's indeed my signature.
And you confirm the contents of this statement as true and correct?
To the best of my recollection, yes.
Thank you, Colonel. Chair, file 2, we will be using during the course of the Colonel's evidence. I just would like to point out that there are a few documents towards the end of file 2 which are really for witnesses that are to follow. So we may not refer to every single document in file 2. It's just that they were included in here for context, but it's for the next witness who will be coming in the next days. Thank you. Colonel, before we start with your statement, just provide a bit of context for the commissioners. What we're going to be dealing with, as you're aware, last week we dealt with the drug bust at Port Shepstone. Did you see any of that?
Yes.
And the stream that we are concerned with this week is a second drug operation, and that was in Eriton in Gauteng. You confirm that?
Yes.
And you're familiar with that drug bust in Eriton?
I am indeed.
And that was a drug bust of about roughly 700 kgs of cocaine.
715 kilograms, yes.
What's the street value of that amount of cocaine?
Street value of a kilogram of cocaine is roughly 400,000 rand per kilogram.
400 per kilogram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So an amount this size is quite high value. It's roughly 300 million rand.
Yeah.
And this occurred on 9 July 2021, this drug operation?
That is correct, Commissioner.
And is it correct that there have been no arrests currently linked to this operation?
That is correct, Commissioners.
And is it correct that there have been serious allegations of police interference in the investigation of this crime?
That is indeed correct.
Thank you. So that's just to give the commissioners a sense of why we are dealing with this particular issue and where we're going with it. Let's begin with your supplementary statement. You provide a bit more detail there about the context and your background. So can I ask you to go to that statement and begin at paragraph 5. You may read this into the record, or you may summarize as you go along, as you like.
Thank you, Commissioner. Commissioners, I joined the South African Police Service in 1987. I started off at the uniform or the station environment. During 1989, I was transferred to the Hillbrow Vehicle Theft Unit in Johannesburg, where I attained the rank of lieutenant. During 1995, I was promoted to captain, whereupon was appointed unit commander of the Vehicle Finance Fraud Unit. In 2001, I was appointed to the rank of superintendent, currently equivalent rank to that of lieutenant colonel, and transferred to the syndicate fraud unit in Johannesburg. In 2002, I was transferred to the organized crime unit in Pretoria, where I investigated various matters, to inter alia include that of narcotics-related offences and, for example, vehicle theft as well. During 2006, I was promoted to the rank of senior superintendent, presently equivalent rank to that of colonel. I was appointed as the unit commander of East Rand Organised Crime Unit. During 2015, I was transferred back to the Pretoria Organised Crime Unit to again assist in that unit. And in 2017, I was transferred to the Priority Violent Crime Unit, or task team, as the team leader. The NPVC, the Priority Violent Crime team, operated parallel with the SANEP team, referred to in my original statement, and constitute of a
Colonel,
provincial team.
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you just explain what SANEP stands for?
SANEP stands for South African Narcotics Enforcement Bureau.
Thank you.
That constituted a provincial team responsible for the investigation of serious and violent crime. That's the NPVC. I acted as the team leader there, and there I stated what SANEP stands for. The units was established around 2016 to combat and escalate. The SANEP team was together with the NPVC team. They were established together. The SANEP team was established to combat the escalation in illicit drug trade in South Africa. SANEP operates nationally to investigate and disrupt organized drug trafficking networks, clandestine laboratories, and to address the issue of precursor chemicals. During 2020, I was appointed as the SANEP team leader within the DPCI Gauteng structure and was further tasked with being the provincial coordinator for SANEP. During 2022, both NPVC and SANEP teams were disbanded. Following this disbandment of the four set teams, I remained stationed at the provincial office where I continued with being the project manager of undercover investigation into a drug syndicate. At the same time, I continued to perform duties as the provincial coordinator for SANEP, and another issue was also added, that of KFR. KFR stands for Kidnapping for Ransom Investigations, dealt with by the DPCI. During 2025, I was transferred to the West Rand Serious Organised Crime Unit, where I was appointed as the unit commander and am currently still serving there.
So you've got quite some experience in dealing with drug seizures and enforcement, narcotics enforcement, right? That is,
yes.
You've got a particular interest in that, as I understand.
Absolutely, yes. Yes, Commissioners.
Okay, continue with your training and qualifications.
During the course of my career, I completed numerous specialized investigation courses, inter alia, including but not limited to forensic investigation course, criminal investigation course, detective course, organized crime course, anti-kidnapping and extortion course. In respect of my tertiary education, I obtained the following qualifications: a National Diploma in Policing, National Higher Diploma in Policing. It was later changed to the BTEC degree in Policing. I did a diploma in security management, private security management, and then I did a year certificates in project management and a year certificate in strategic management.
Continue.
My current responsibilities as I'm serving as the unit commander for serious organized crime investigations in West Rand, except for the day-to-day management of the unit, I also oversee the investigations